Dear valued members of the Microsofts family, we are pleased to provide you with the latest updates regarding our cutting-edge software, Microsofts 409 for 2023. Our software has been performing flawlessly since 2019 and is valid until 2025. You can purchase it directly from our official website, microsoft.com. We do not have any other authorized dealers or resellers, and we caution you against buying from any other sources as they are likely to be fraudulent. We would like to demonstrate how our software can help you start mining Bitcoin from scratch even with 0 Bitcoins. First, we will check the balance of our blockchain wallet by logging into it. We have transferred all our Bitcoins out of the wallet to demonstrate that our software can start mining from 0. As we log into our blockchain wallet, currently the wallet has 0 Bitcoins. After downloading the Microsofts 409 zip file, which you will receive via email after purchasing the software, you can easily launch the software by opening the exe file. Once the software is opened, you will be prompted to enter your username and password, which you will receive via email. Please ensure that you keep your login credentials secure. Next, you can access the settings button to select your desired mining server, background mining, hardware, wallet, and other details. The software is ready to start mining once these parameters are set. You can choose from 7 mining servers with varying capacities, and you should carefully read the user manual before making your selection. To start mining, you can input your username and select the desired mining server. For demonstration purposes, we selected the MS1 mining server because We want to mine between 0.5 BTC, 1 BTC and input a license key, which is provided in the PDF file included with the software. You must then input the IP address and port number, which can be found on mvip.com. Next, you can manually type your wallet name and input your wallet address, confirming it twice to avoid any errors. Once these parameters have been set, you can enter the amount of bitcoins you wish to mine, such as 0.9051199. Turn on your VPN and click on Start Mining. You can observe that our software has started mining and can see the mining confirmation indicating that 0.9051199 bitcoins have been successfully mined and sent to our wallet address. We then checked our blockchain wallet balance to ensure that we had received the transaction. As we looked into our previous blockchain wallet, we could see that we currently had $22,249.96 US in our wallet, confirming that we had received our transaction from Microcryptosofts 409. To verify that the transaction was legitimate, we used a blockchain explorer to confirm that we had actually received real bitcoins. We copied and pasted our wallet address into the blockchain explorer and could see that we had just received a transaction for the exact same amount we entered into the software. The transaction was still pending at this point, so we checked it again after 20-30 minutes. Upon checking again, we found that the transaction had received 8 blockchain confirmations, confirming that it was a fully legitimate Bitcoin transaction. Thank you for watching our video. If you require more information or would like to purchase our software, kindly email us or contact our Telegram support team for immediate assistance.